Virtual instruments have been a part of SoundCheck since 1997. They replicate the functionality of benchtop hardware, for example, signal generators, multimeters, oscilloscopes, etc., within the SoundCheck software. These are great when you need to make an instant measurement, and they're even better than real hardware, as you can also integrate the results with your test sequence. But did you know that you can simplify your workflow with a startup virtual instrument configuration in SoundCheck? This means that every time you open up your measurement software, your tool bench is configured exactly how you like to use it. All you need to do is create your desired setup and save it. Let me show you how easy it is. Here, I'm going to keep it simple with just a signal generator and a multimeter. I'll set the signal generator to a default 1 kilohertz tone, as I use that a lot, and I'll set the multimeter to read my reference microphone. Now I just save this as a .vic file, which is a virtual instrument configuration file, and give it a name. I can do this from any of the virtual instruments that I have open. Now it's saved. I can set SoundCheck to automatically load VI config in the Launch tab of the Preferences menu and set it to the file I just created. Now each time we launch SoundCheck, it will load our VI configuration at startup. I just showed you a basic setup, but you can truly customize it for your needs. For example, with multiple signal generators preset to frequencies that you use a lot, or with multiple distortion meters, each measuring a different distortion type. You can even save multiple startup configurations with different names. This is great if you have to share your SoundCheck system with colleagues or have different virtual instrument needs depending on what you're working on.